Okay, we are on Dancing Drums Explosion. And so the grand on, if you just hit like a grand, it's 16. And the majors at 882, etc., etc. The big explosions, $2 million. Whoa, so it hasn't been hit for a very long time. So let's start with 588 bets. Come on. Okay, we've got a pot closure. Could we get the explosion? So it's a jackpot upgrade. Could we get that explosion? Ooh boy. Well, we got the $81.40. That's good. Let's continue on. Let's see what we can get. Come on, drums. 3 gold drums. Or a full screen of food dogs for a hand pay. That'd be nice. There's 1 gold drum. Come on, drums. Gold drums. Any drums. Come on, baby. Food dogs. Oh, almost. Okay, we got a pot closure. Let's see what we can get. I'm a swiper, guys, so I'm just going to swipe away. Alright, we got the mini. Mini macaroni. Continuing on. Come on. Drums. Some live play. This is the real deal, I gotta tell you. There's nothing more raw than this right about now. Come on. Food dogs. Ooh. Oh boy. Almost made it across, but we did close the pot. Let's see what we can get on the pot closure. Whew. It's not an upgrade, but it's alright. Got the minor. Come on, drums. Come on, drums. Ooh, close, but no cigar. Even if we could get a good food dog hit, that'd be amazing. Got a little pots. Alright. Oh. Oh. One drum away. Got pots again. Come on, drums. Oh, got pot closure. Okay, and it's a jackpot upgrade, so we're good for the $2 million up there. Let's see what we can get. Mini, 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 mini. Oh, just about. Come on, drums. Come on, drums. Oh boy, she's a toughie. Oh, one more food dog would have been huge. $60. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, 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 okay. Everybody. Okay, on a $10 bet, I got a little bit of food dogs. And I got the gold drum. So, whew. Okay. What do I do? What do I do? Do I do 10? Do I do 5? Do I do 10? Do I do 5? Oof. I'm gonna do... I just did a swipe and it hit 5. Oh my gosh. Come on, re-trigger me, please. Alright. Come on, baby, re-trigger me. Ships. Ships. And a little bit of food dogs, I guess. For 120 bucks. Okay, I just gotta, oh boy, I needed that big time. Come on, baby. Alright, ingots. Alright, that's where I'm at. Come on, baby, give me a big hit. Big hit. Food dogs. Okay, that's it. 398 bucks. That's okay. That's great. Ooh. All right, guys. That's Dancing Drums Explosions. That's a big, fat grand if you can land at 2 mil. Wow. Okay. Take care. Lot of luck. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.